Uy, napustful.
To my beautiful Anna, words can express how happy I am right now that finally after 9 years we've made it here at the altar. And it's all by God's perfect timing and grace. I promise to love you as Christ loves us. I promise to walk with you in every season of life, through ups and downs, through storms and still waters, through mountains and valleys of life. As we enter this new chapter of our lives, let us continue to make Christ as our firm foundation. Let us continue to trust in Him, because His hands never slip and His love never runs out. May we never mistake each other for saviors, but instead we will walk side by side, rooted in the one who saves us. May our love be strongest, not because of who we are, but because of who Christ is within us. I love you so much.
Thank you.